Hello and welcome to our channel. Today we're excited to introduce the HollyHOME 15-inch folding footrest stool, a versatile and stylish addition to any space. This upholstered small foldable ottoman is perfect for enhancing your comfort, especially when paired with a lazy chair, allowing you to rest your legs and relax. Designed with an X-shaped metal frame, it offers exceptional stability and is easy to fold, making it portable for use in various settings like the living room, bedroom, garden, or even your office. The sturdy metal frame features a powder coating that is both waterproof and moisture-proof, ensuring durability, while the non-slip foot covers protect your floors from scratches. The thick cotton cushion is not only detachable and comfortable but also multifunctional, serving as a headrest, lumbar support, or seat cushion. With a load-bearing capacity of 200 pounds, this ottoman measures 18.5 inches in diameter, 14.8 inches in width, and stands 15 inches tall. Assembly is a breeze, thanks to the Velcro connections between the cushion and the steel frame, making it a perfect blend of convenience and comfort. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.